What is up, everyone? My name is Brennan Dopp and I teach you everything that you need to know about print on demand and Etsy. If you're new here, be sure to hit that notification bell and subscribe to my channel to make sure you do not miss out on anything that can help you make passive money online and create the lifestyle that you want. In this video, I will talk about the 3 most important customer service tips for Etsy. And be sure to stay till the end if you want to learn how to make your customers happy. Tip number 1 is to have a clear listing and deliver a high quality product. Customer service starts as soon as the customer clicks on your listing. Clear listings and policies build trust with potential buyers. Really good customer service creates brand loyalty. You want to make sure your listings answer all the questions a customer would have. So explain what type of shirt you're selling, its material, anything that a customer would want to know, you want to include this within your listing. Set expectations for things you can realistically meet for things like shipping and production times. You want to always do what you say you will do, so always underpromise and overdeliver. You want to create and deliver a high quality product. You want to make sure everything is synced correctly on the printful end so your customer is receiving exactly what it is they ordered. You want your end product to look exactly like your mock-up photo that you created for your Etsy listing. This includes the exact placement and the size of the design. And the best thing you can do is make the overall purchasing experience pleasant. Include the necessary details so your customer has 0 questions to ask. This makes it very smooth and easy for your customers so they have a positive experience when shopping in your store. Tip number 2 is to communicate. You want to make sure you respond promptly to messages. Downloading the Sell on Etsy app is a must. It makes it super easy so when you're on the go, you're able to message customers if they have any questions, and you can respond as fast as you can while being away from your computer. If you communicate with your customer throughout the entire process, it creates a great space for your customer to reach out to you if they do have any issues with their product. This will prevent your customer leaving a negative review on your shop. I personally like to message the customer once they've placed an order, once the item has shipped, and then I like to follow up once it has been delivered. It sounds like a lot of work, but Etsy makes it super easy with doing message snippets, and I'll show you exactly how to do that right now. This is obviously my shop that I use for tutorial purposes, and when you're in your shop, you'll go over to the left-hand side and you'll click on Messages, and then it'll bring up the messages here, and then you'll go up here to the right-hand side and hit Compose, and then this is how you would create a new message to send to a customer, and you'd go down here to the bottom where it says All Saved Replies, and then you can create your own saved replies right here. You can see Etsy already has a few that you can use if you'd like. So up here on the right-hand corner, you click Add New. Then you can do saved reply. You'd enter the title, so whatever it is. So message to new buyer, let's say. And then you'd enter the message here. And then down here, you can create a category for this snippet. So I will create new category, and I'll call this category New Customers. And then you'd want to click Save. And you'll see your new snippet that you created is right here under New Customers, Message to New Buyer. So just click on that and it auto-fills it into your message. So it makes it super easy for you. And I would go in and create a snippet for any message that I send very often. So for messages to new customers, when an item was shipped, as well as my follow-up message for when an item has been delivered. It makes it super easy, it streamlines it so you can have really good customer service as well as having it be limited work. So I have a ton of different snippets that I've created based on questions that I get often. This way it makes my customer service really easy and I can do it really quickly. It's important to remember to make each message personalized. So you want that customer to feel special. It doesn't seem like just a copy-pasted message. You want to treat every customer like they're your first. Unfortunately, in any business, you will have negative customer service experiences, but it's important to remember to be kind and professional. Whether it's a lost package, delayed production, or a customer is not happy with the product they purchased, sometimes things go wrong. By acknowledging the problem and taking practical steps to resolve the issues, you can often alleviate a frustrating situation and build customer loyalty. If you have an upset customer who reached out to you, you want to have a cool down period. You never want to message your customer back when you're angry or upset. It's important to never be condescending, and remember, your customer is always right. Say sorry and admit you are wrong if you are. Your #1 priority is customer satisfaction. Stay patient and find a solution quickly. But with this being said, be careful to never get taken advantage of. If you plan to be away from your shop for a few days, you can create a custom message and turn on auto reply so that your customer will know that you will respond as soon as you are available again. So up here on the top right hand side, you'll click on auto reply, and then toggle this on here, and then create your custom message. So write a message that will automatically send to the first message you receive from a contact. Make sure to explain when you plan to get back to them. Then you can set the auto reply for however long you'd like. This makes it really convenient and helps keep your customer informed so they'll know that you'll be responding shortly. Tip number 3 is building relationships. As a business owner, creating strong relationships with your customers is key to the success of your shop. Putting in the effort to connect with your clients can have a powerful impact on your positive reviews, repeat sales, and exposure on Etsy. And people trust friend and family recommendations more than any type of marketing. So making sure your customers have the best experience possible is an extremely powerful way to grow your shop. Customer service doesn't stop after the transaction has ended. Many customers become repeat buyers, so keeping in touch can go a long way to build those relationships. Before reaching out to customers, be sure that you have the buyer's consent to message them and are complying with applicable local marketing laws. An easy way to do this is by creating an email list and inviting your customers to sign up for it. You can create an incentive, so give them a coupon if they sign up, and then this way you can retarget them and send them coupons and whatever information you would like to keep them informed and engaged in your shop, in hopes that they'll come back and purchase more from your store. And another great idea is to send your customer a coupon code when following up with them once their item has been delivered. This will give them an incentive to come back to your shop and purchase again if they had a positive experience. And I'll show you exactly where you go to create these coupons to send out to your customers so you can continue to build your relationship with them. Over here on the left hand side, go to Marketing, and then click on Sales and Coupons, and then in the top right corner, click New Special Offer, and you can create your coupons here to send out to your customers. If you want to know how to increase traffic to your store with shop updates, check out this video right here. And if you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe. As well, I'm excited to announce my new Facebook group that I've created. It's called Print on Demand Warriors. The link is in the description. It's a great way to be a part of a community to help each other learn and grow. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.